Hello, I'm Theodor from You're Listening for You, and today I would like to invite you to our online conference Trauma Therapy and Post-Traumatic Growth every Sunday from January 29th to April 2nd. If you look at the program, many speakers from different backgrounds will either speak to us or practice with us in workshops. Just use the link on the video to check the program and be surprised. We have people from America, from England, from Ukraine, from Russia, and from Germany, from Switzerland, with lots of experience in work with trauma and as psychiatrists, psychologists, and therapists. If you look at the tickets, they are reasonable. Day tickets are available, and if it's too expensive, you have a choice. You click here and you choose your own price. You will find a blog with lots of articles on trauma, and every week new articles follow. In the proceedings, you will have the replays available for your future use and during the conference, so you will not miss a workshop or lecture if you can't be in a meeting. And under the replays we will have a comment function where we can continue to exchange on what we saw and discuss what we want to talk about. I'm happy to invite you. I look forward to see you. Think about if our conference could mean something to you, either if you yourself suffer from trauma or if you are a therapist who needs new inspirations of what can be done. I'm looking forward to see you. Use the link under the video.